Hello class, welcome. Today we are going to start a new chapter of English grammar and the chapter name is past continuous tense and past perfect tense. Past continuous means known as progressive and past perfect means complete. The action which had completed in past and progressive means the action which were in continuous mode in past time. Understand? So come on the chapter and try to understand it better in a better way. Past continuous tense is used for an action that was in the middle of happening at a past time, and afterward past continuous is very often used in a sentence together with the simple past. So we are getting here past continuous tense is used for the action that was in the middle of happening, means the action was in continuous mode in the past time, not in completed mode. Understand? In continuous mode. Afterward we also use past continuous tense is used together with simple past. Understand? So afterward we are coming the word structures of past continuous tense with examples. We will see here first the word structure of positive sentence. In positive sentence, first we will use subject, was or were, main verb first form plus ing plus object plus other. We will use was with the pronouns I, he, she, it. These are the pronouns. With these pronouns, we use what, was. And with singular noun also we use was in past continuous tense. I, he, she, it. Afterward you are selecting here was according to pronoun, working main verb first form plus ing properly. Understand? It is the word structure of positive sentence. Afterward we are coming negative sentence. Subject, was or were, not, main verb first form, ing, object, other. Understand? So here you are getting, we will use the pronouns we, you, they. These are the pronouns will be used in past continuous tense with were, and we can also include what? We can also include plural nouns with were in a sentence we can use. So look at here, we, you, they were not playing cricket yesterday. Subject is what here? You can select from these we, you, they, or you can select any name. The names will be in plural. Suppose that maybe two names Mohan and Shohan were not playing cricket. Understand? For plural nouns. Afterward we are selecting were, not, main verb first form plus ing, object, cricket, and other. So I hope that you are getting these things. Afterward we are coming the word structure of interrogative and interrogative negative. We will see it with the examples. And interrogative negative with examples. Understand? Word structure of interrogative: was, were, subject, main verb first form plus ing plus object and other. Was he playing? Was will be used with pronoun he. Playing, main verb first form plus ing plus object. Playing what? Cricket. Object is cricket. Other, yesterday. Was he playing cricket? It is the word structure of interrogative, positive sentence in interrogative. Afterward we are coming interrogative negative. Understand? What structure of interrogative negative is? Was, were plus subject plus not plus main verb first form plus ing plus object plus other. You can look here, you can see were, because were will be used here with you, we have known it. Were you not watching movie? You is subject, not according to word structure. Afterward main verb first form plus ing, watching, and movie is object. Watching what? Movie. Understand? So were you not watching movie? Interrogative negative. We can add WH word in interrogative, WH word interrogative, by using, suppose that, why were you not watching movie? Understand? Was he playing cricket yesterday? We can make interrogative, WH word interrogative, by adding WH words before helping verb. Suppose that, why were you not watching movie? Understand? We can include WH word before helping verb. Afterward, we use past continuous and past tense together. Simple past together. The lights went out. Simple past. When we were having dinner. We can use past continuous and past tense, simple past tense, in combined way. Understand? Afterward, we will come on past perfect tense. We will see here past perfect tense word structure, the formation of past perfect tense with examples. Past perfect tense is used to talk about something that had happened before the past time we are thinking about, the action that had completed in the past time. Understand? Afterward, we are coming here, the word structure, word formation of positive sentence. Subject had a main verb third form plus object and other. We use here only helping verb is in past perfect tense, and the helping verb is had with all pronouns. With all pronouns, and with each subject, with each noun, we will use had and past participle form of the verb, third form, which we say, plus object plus other. He had completed verb third form, past participle form of the verb, plus object, complete object plus other. We will use in this format. Understand? So he had completed his work. The past action we talk here, the completed action which had completed in the past time. Understand? Afterward, negative word structure. Subject had not, main verb third form plus object plus other. Understand? So I have told you that with each pronoun we will use only had. Had is singular helping verb in this tense. They had not dug. Third form of dig is dug. Understand? Dug the well yesterday. The well is what? Object. Yesterday is other. The subject had is here helping verb, not main verb third form dug. The well object, yesterday other. Understand? Afterward, we are coming the use of before and when. We are going to know about the use of before and when. So we can also use past perfect tense to show something happened before another action in the past. Understand? So look at here in the example. Here you are getting the word structure past perfect plus before plus simple past. Understand? So in this example you will get that he had left the office before I reached. Understand? For that action, the action which had happened first, for that action we use past perfect, and for the later action we use simple past. Understand? So in this example you are getting that the action which happened here first, the action is he had left the office before I reached. Means that I reached the office, but before reaching the office he had left the office. So the action had happened first. So for that action we use what? Past perfect tense. Understand? And simple past afterward for last action, for we can say that later action. The patient had died before the doctor came. In this sentence you get that which action had happened first? The patient had died. The action which had happened first, for that action we use past perfect tense. The patient had died before the doctor came. Simple past. Came is here simple past, second form of the verb. And had died. Died is past participle form of the verb, third form of the verb. Understand? In the same way, we make the sentences which are start with when by including when, but we have to remember that in such type of sentences which are starting with when, we can start when in starting or later it after comma, but you have to keep in the mind for the action which happened first, which had happened first, for that action we use past perfect. Understand? For the later action we use simple past. So you are getting here, when I reached school the bell had rung. The bell had rung. What had happened first? The bell had rung. Before, when I reached school, the bell had rung. The bell had rung means the bell had already rung when I reached school. I reached school later. Understand? And the bell had rung earlier. So I hope that you have understood all these things clearly. Understand? So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.